Welcome to the sticker printer maintenance video. The sticker printer and sticker stock should be kept clean. We recommend installing the printer in an office or other clean area. Printers located in dirty or dusty areas will require more frequent cleaning. If the blank sticker stock is dirty or dusty, it will negatively affect the print quality. Stickers should also be kept in a clean area or covered when not in use. To begin, turn the power off and open the printer. Remove the sticker stock. Remove the ribbon. Allow the print head to cool. Clean the media sensor using compressed air. Do not use an air compressor in place of the can of compressed air. Air compressors have microcontaminants and particles that can get into the air system and damage the printer. Use a cotton swab moistened with isopropyl alcohol to clean off any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roll holders and other areas. Clean the roll holders and frame using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Use an alcohol cleaning wipe to clean the printhead. Starting at the center, wipe the printhead towards each outside edge. Rub the wipe over the dark stripes several times until clean. Allow 30 seconds for the printhead to dry completely. Install the printer ribbon and sticker stock. The outside of the printer may be cleaned by using an alcohol wipe or a cloth moistened with water or isopropyl alcohol. Thank you for watching the sticker printer maintenance video. If you have any questions, email us at vic@driveonportal.com.